SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. Stefan is here. How's it going, guys? iPhone SE first generation in 2021. I'm very surprised that this iPhone still works completely fine, flawlessly in my opinion. And I see still people on the street, on the bus, on the train with this iPhone. And believe it or not, people still in 2021 still buying this iPhone, and I think this is a great iPhone in my opinion. I have a couple of uh, questions for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, do you still using iPhone SE first generation? Leave it in the comments down below, and let me know what do you think about this iPhone. uh, Personally, I think this is a great choice for people who wants to jump to the Apple world, and let's say they're using Android for many years and they want to use iPhone for the first time. And I think this is a great choice in my opinion, because this iPhone is very affordable. You can buy this iPhone for uh, 60 $70, $80 in a great condition. In UK, this iPhone costs about £70, £80, depends of the condition. But personally, I think this is a great choice for people who wants to use iPhone for the first time. Just to remind you, the battery on the iPhone SE first generation is not great. Double check the battery. I recommend, if you buy this iPhone, make sure you have a portable charger, because the battery is the only weakness of this iPhone. But other than that, this has been great for the past couple of years. This iPhone is being released in 2016, nearly 5 years, and still runs the latest version of the iOS, which is amazing in my opinion. So let me show you. Let's go to general, let's go to about, and as you can see, 14.7.1, this is the latest version of the iOS, which is amazing in my opinion. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you still using the iPhone SE first generation? Leave it in the comments down below. Personally, I think this is a great choice, great buy for people who wants to use iPhone for the first time, and they don't want to spend a lot of money. I think this is a great choice. You can play games, you can listen music. Also, the sound quality of the speakers are not fantastic. You have a single speaker here. Also, you have a headphone jack, which in my opinion, this is a great bonus for people who are still using the headphones with the 3.5 millimeter. Also on the side, we have the SIM slot here. On the top, we have the power on button, locking button, slider for silence, on and off, and volume up and down. But other than that, I think this iPhone still works fantastic with all the widgets. iOS 14 brings a lot of cool options here. As you can see, widgets, and this is great. Latest version of the iOS. Also, you have a great camera here, in my opinion. Obviously, it's not gonna be fantastic, but personally, I think it's a great choice. Um, if you need a camera that just point and shoot, this is perfect in my opinion. But obviously, I think this is a great iPhone in 2021, and people still love it in these days. Let me know in the comments down below, are you still using the iPhone SE? If you get value of this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and are you there, make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.